We will see all the Sketcher Workbench commands. Okay, let's see. Just open the Sketcher Workbench. Okay, all the toolbars are take on the screen, and we will see one by one how to use the toolbars. Okay. Only important toolbars we will discuss. The major toolbar is we will discuss in part design session. Okay, it will be okay. So these toolbars are very useful in Sketcher Workbench. Okay, this is a profile toolbar. Here the another toolbar. Just click on the drop down button on the black point. This black point. Okay, it will be come at outside. Same like a circle. Okay, ellipse, conic. Here also. Okay, line. Here different toolbars. We will see one by one toolbars and commands. Okay, no problem. Just I will off this. Now we will see Sketch Tools toolbar. Okay, first we can arrange the toolbars on the taskbar. The visualization at here. Profile toolbar I will fix here. Above workbench, select toolbar I will fix here. After the profile I will fix operation toolbar, constraint toolbar at here, and sketch tools here. Okay, this is the final Sketcher Workbench interface. Okay,